Today we are going to talk about the simple past. Hello, I'm Lily. And today I'll tell you about my day yesterday. I woke up at 7 a.m. I ate breakfast in the kitchen with my family. I went to school by bus. I studied maths and science. My parents ate lunch in the garden. I walked home from school. I did my homework in the evening. I read a book in the lounge. Finally, I went to bed at 9 p.m. So, in this story, I used the past simple tense to talk about actions that happened and finished in the past. For example, I woke up, I ate, and I went. Past simple verbs often end in ed like played and painted. But some verbs are irregular, like ate and went. Remember, we use the past simple to tell stories about things that happened before now. Just like my day yesterday. So the regular verbs were play equals played, walk equals walked, study equals studied, and the irregular verbs were eat equals ate, go equals went, do equals did. Thanks for watching. Now, can you tell a story about your day yesterday?
If you have found this video helpful, then remember to like, comment and subscribe for more videos on British language terms.